Hi guys, welcome back to Flo's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make Pikliz. That's right, Pikliz. It is so tasty. It's one of our Haitian authentic, I would say, hot sauce, spicy sauce. That's right, y'all. So these are the ingredients that you will need. You'll need some cabbage, bell peppers, multi-bell peppers to be exact. You'll need some Maggi cubes, lime juice, carrots, scotch bonnet pepper, and of course onions and vinegar. That's right, guys. So here I'm going in with my knife and I'm slicing up real finely my cabbage. You all can do it the same way. It's pretty easy, guys. The bell peppers, I dice them. The carrots, I also have it grated inside of a grater instead of taking all that time and slicing it. I find it to be easier when I use a grater, which you all will see later on in the video. The scotch bonnet pepper, I put it in a food processor, which you all will see later on as well. And this is the consistency, guys. Here is the bell peppers that I told you guys I diced. You all can slice it or dice it. This is how I prefer to do it. And this is the grater with my carrots grated. Some people prefer to just go to the store and get a bag that's pre-cut. That's all up to you. This is the vinegar that I use. I wouldn't recommend using apple cider vinegar. So after you all cut up and slice up and mix everything, pour in that vinegar. And here is my scotch bonnet pepper. I'm putting it in the food processor, making sure it's grinded very well. So when I put it and incorporate it in my Pikliz coleslaw, it is well incorporated. And here is how it turned out. And here it is. I'm pouring it in. And yes, guys, it gets hotter and better with time. So you want to let it soak for at least 3 to 4 days. You all can taste it each day to see how hotter it gets. And this is the finished product, guys. It is plated with pâte coudé. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For the entire recipe, if you missed anything, feel free to look at the description section. Thanks again for watching. Bye.